Hello, this is my process of making 3D prints. So what I do, because this TIE Fighter is the only thing I could find, but it was on Tinkercad. So I'm going to go over here to Export, STL, wait for that to load right there. Might take a little bit. While I do that, I prepare the, turning it into a 3D model. So for that, just delete that really quick. Press OK. Now, you're going to check if it's done, which it isn't. It's going to take a little bit. Hold up. I'll come right back when I'm done. Okay, it's finished exporting. Now, what I'm going to do is click this, wait for that to open. It'll open the whole, like, setup thing, or what it's called is slicer. And doesn't look like that's working, so I press import up here, wait for that to load, then it'll come up with a menu, go to downloads, copy of TIE Fighter, and press open. Now over here is where you like mess with stuff, make it like a little better or something. What I'm gonna do, cause it looks so small, is make it big, make it bigger, like that. Then I press, make sure there's no supports, because there's already some supports, and if I need it, there will be an error code right around here. I press slicer now. Then I'm gonna have to wait for that to load. It's gonna take a little bit. And you can see the error code right here. Stability issues, because the probably no supports right there to like hold it up. So go to supports and build build plate only, and then that will bring it back to the editor, slicer now, and then that will add supports for it once it loads. And there's the supports for it. So all I'm gonna have to do when it's finished is just take that TIE Fighter and just pull it out, and it's gonna be done. Now, oh, it's not finished. When it's finished, it'll give me like all the details of it right here, all the how long the things will take, like this. Gonna take about 3 hours, so I'm gonna do this tomorrow, finish recording tomorrow. And this just shows the process of it and what it's gonna look like as it does it. So that's pretty cool. And then you press export G-code. Grab the flash drive for the 3D printer, take the chip out, and then gotta place the chip in there. I can't do this one-handed. One sec. Okay, like that. And then I plug it into the computer. Then I go down to whatever this is. Copy of TIE Fighter. 3 hours and 11 minutes. Press that. Once it says export finished, you hold this up and put it in the printer. And why won't it work? And I'm I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to finish this. So, for you it'd be like a second. For me it'd be a whole day. So, see you in a bit. Okay, what that millisecond was for you was about 12 hours for me with sleep. Anyway, so I decided to do the build or the enforcers support, which is those, and that will help like keep this stabilized, which was what the error message was. But anyway, this is just showing the process of how it's going to be done, and then over here is just showing how the 3D printer will do it, which is pretty cool. So now what we have to do is, I think the G code's exported. I don't know. But we're gonna put this chip in. Sick. In 1 second, it'll be done. So, let's see. Like this. Now let's plug that in. Really see the blue light. Then, first, let's check if I actually exported it on here. Takes a little bit. No, it does not look like I did. But that's a good thing. Just take up more space on here. So what we're gonna do is press export G code. Then go all the way over here. And then I can see it now. Press save. Wait for that to finish. Now, so then I don't get confused, click here, and we're gonna delete that. Okay. Now, I'm sorry, now we're gonna take this out. Put the chip in, flip the switch. Now the Z offset is a little different. So we're going to 1.6 or negative 1.69. We're gonna scroll all the way down. I don't know if y'all can see that. Copy of TIE Fighter. Then we press the check mark. I'll put it in time lapse for you guys. And that's the TIE Fighter, all 3D printed. That's my process. Goodbye. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe.